halfway through the park is a short hike up to the wolves and bears. It's a short quarter-of-a-mile hike up to their areas, and it kind of gets you out of your vehicle and immersed even more into the landscape.
Let's go look at the bears.
You'll see two female bears that we have on the first area.
He's waiting.
Wolves are really neat because they're so social. They're a pack animal, and it's really kind of unique to see the different interactions with the dominant male, the dominant female, and kind of get an understanding of how a pack operates. They get fed twice a day. They get mostly a carnivore meat diet, but they get lots of different enrichment items. One other feature as you get halfway through the park and decide to walk up to the wolves and bears is a new bald eagle aviary, a walk-in aviary that people can see not only bald eagles but other waterfowl and a natural pond setting